This just sucks. It's like nobody fills up the freaking water. Oh, God doggy. Welcome back, my YouTube family. In today's video, we will be hacking this Keurig coffee maker. A lot of times, and the reservoir is okay, but we run out of water kind of quick in this house. What I'm gonna do today is I think I got a solution that's gonna work. So I got this nozzle. So my thought process is to somehow get this thing over here, sort of like that. So when we get ready to make coffee or whatever the case is, I have to fill this up. We can just take this cap off and just spray. I got some parts and material that I want to show you all real quick. So that's the regular nozzle. This is the hose that goes to that nozzle. And I got this bracket because I want to mount this to the bracket behind the refrigerator. This is a hose that's going to come from the ice supply, what is it called? The ice maker supply line. And I am going to split, I got this T here. I'm going to split what's on there already. I got this little short cord that's going to come off the ice maker, split it. The one side is going to go to the refrigerator. The other side is going to go to our little doohickey here. And I do know that this is a 3/8 inlet here. So this is 3/8 connector. And so I got a 1/4 inch to 3/8 adapter, and that should be it. I'm thinking this is going to work. I think the only tools that you would need for this project is just some wrenches, and we're going to have to make this hole bigger, so I'm going to use a grinder to grind this hole. So I'm going to get right into it. Y'all stick around. We're going to see if this works. Hey, I'm kind of configure some of this stuff before I go behind there. Now with this, you don't need any type of Teflon tape or anything like that. You just need to make sure it's tight. Get the appropriate wrench. With this one was a 13. I went right to it. You see that? So tighten that on up. All right, so that's going to come off the existing. And then this supply line. All right, take that. Okay, that's tight. Just make sure they're real tight. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Of course, first thing to do is to turn off the water supply. All right. That goes to this side. And then that goes to this. Make sure they tight. Whole lot of holes. So next I want to hook this hose up to the nozzle. It seems like this goes through there like that. This goes in, this pops through like that. And this retainer retains it. And then this screws on. And that's that. Again, I haven't watched any video, YouTube video or anything like that. This is just in my mind what I believe will work. Little rubber pieces in here, like so. And you should just be able to just connect these straight. And this should just go on here, and it's not. This was the wrong side. It's supposed to be a 1/4, but that don't look like a 1/4. Let's see. No, no, that's the wrong adapter. So, abort. I have to go back to the store and I have to get the appropriate adapter to connect these two. I thought I had a 3/8 to 1/4, but apparently I don't, so whatever. I might even do a shutoff valve in between these two, so we'll see. But anyway, I'm going to continue on. I see I got to get another piece. I'm going to continue on and see about mounting this. Like I said, I'm trying to mount it like that so we can just sort of like that. All right, so it has a hole in it, but the hole is not, it's not nowhere near as big. Put it right in there. That's about as big as the hole. I need to come out a little bit further than the hole, so maybe like right there and right there. It's kind of tight, so I'm just going to use this piece of wood here to attach this bracket on. So looking at this, you can see that it's ugly, but it works. That goes up like so. So far so good. We betting good. We just got to go get that adapter. Now I think again with that adapter, I think just in case this does leak, I think I might want to just put a shutoff valve on it, just so I got a quick way without having to pull the refrigerator out to put a shutoff valve between this connection and this connection. And that's really all we got left is that right there, and to mount this to the wall. Yeah. Now, actually, I kind of maybe want to put it out, maybe. So maybe got to get a piece of 2x4. It's saying it's a stud right there. Right where it needs to be. What? All right, it's saying it's a stud right here, so we'll see. So I'm just using a little drill bit just to grab me some pilot holes in. Nope. 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 Still finding a lot. That's okay. We'll use anchors. So since we're going to be using anchors, I want to make sure we drilled all the way through this wood. I was going to do that anyway. So we find us a drill bit that's a little bit bigger than the screw itself. I take it and we'll do one. We could do 4. Let's do 4. That way it's not going anywhere. Just put these screws in here just so they poke out a little bit so I can know where to put my hollow wall anchors in. All right. That's it, that's level. So all right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, 1/4-inch drill to put 1/4-inch holes in. I put 4 of them in here because, as you can see, it's a lot of weight hanging up on the drywall anchor, so I figure 4 should hold it much better than 2. Get these to line up, which they should, and screw them in. Look like it'll work right there, right? Bring it down a little bit. Now let's do that. Okay, so I got me the right coupling this time. The difference I made was that one was an adapter and one is a coupling. And it's the coupling is the one that you need because it has the compression threads that you need. So, and then I also got this 3/8 inline compression 1/4-inch turn valve to turn off the water. And so I'm just gonna put, and then I also got a 5-foot cable because the other one was driving me crazy. I just can't have that long of a cable. So I put this together real quick, and this should put this project in the bag. Now this one, it's kind of different. It has a like a hose connector on it, and then this connector will go right on that. Get this tight. All right. Now what that does is that takes that 3/8 line, take it to a 1/4. So now we're able to put a 1/4-inch hose on this 3/8 line. Okay. And then this will go on the nozzle end. Okay, that's the nozzle end. Why is it not fitting? Oh no. Okay, so the problem is that this connection here is a compression connection, and it's designed to fit over a pipe, a 3/8 inch diameter pipe. And so I had to go get some piping. And this goes in the ball goes down, this goes like that, and then that tightens up tight, and that makes the connection. That's on there. And what I'll do is I'll cut this off. Nut, then ball. Let me stick that in there. With compression fittings, you want to get them as tight as you can get them. Okay, then I tighten this one down. All right, that's a bit much. That's a lot of adapting there, but that should work. Change this 10-foot out. Now I want to make sure that nothing leaks. Turn this off. That's off. And Sharon got hungry while we were recording. So that sound you all hear in the background is some delicious sausage that's getting cooked. So no leaks here. No leaks here. No leaks there, no leaks. It's off. Now I want to turn the water on. This is nasty. And we're gonna let this, we'll run this a couple of times, bleed the nastiness out. Okay, so the plan is actually working. This thing is not leaking at all, even with the water on, but it does shoot out kind of fast. So it shoots out kind of fast, and I can kind of like limit the amount of water that goes in. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah. So now it's not a splattery mess. And I'll show you. That's me turning it up. That's me turning it down. I can regulate it. So about right there is good. That's working. That is freaking working. Hey! Hey! Out of water again. All right. And we are brewing while we are filling. As you can see, I got myself a nice cup of joe. Listen, I really appreciate you all sticking around for this video. One of the things that we could probably do in the future is to put a filter on the inline filter. You can get them off of Amazon. The link in the video is here. But our coffee maker actually does have a filter. The water is filtered through a filter, so that's great. I think $100 for the coffee maker is what we spent. And then again, this setup here is about $60. Totally worth it in my opinion. If you have any comments, then please leave your comments in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, then make sure you subscribe. Look, I'm all over the place with the DIYs. I'm into some of everything, right? And then also, if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. It really helps me grow the channel, and I really do appreciate my faithful. Until the next time, hey.